Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about a little bit around account level parameters and warehouse level parameters. And both these parameter level settings can be done within Snowflake, right? Now, if you see this, this is a fresh, new worksheet which I have opened. Now, when I'm executing this command, okay, so let's say, we will maybe start our demo from here, okay, right? Now, when I am executing this command, show parameters. So this command is going to give me the details against all the settings which I have done at an account level. Okay, keep in mind at an account level, not at a user level or a warehouse level, right? So this is more at an account level. What does that mean? Think of it like, I can have the repeated parameter names. Example, if I want to kind of see some values against warehouse, so I might end up seeing the same, kind of parameter values. Okay, so that is exactly where, we have to understand a little bit around account level parameters and warehouse level parameters. Now over here, I'll just quickly, demonstrate the capabilities around these two features. Okay, now when I've executed this command, it gave me a lot of information, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to maybe look for one particular parameter, which is statement timeout in seconds. Okay, now where is it? So let's see that, right? Statement timeout in seconds. We have to maybe identify this particular value. See, statement timeout in seconds. So this value is set at an account level. Okay, what does that mean? This means that at an account, I am allowing any query to run for 172,800 one, and basically it turns out to be 48 hours. Okay, so we can always see this particular value by kind of firing this command also, right? It's more of a result scan command which will give you the value in a tabular form, okay, where the key is statement timeout in seconds, right? So this is exactly what it means, right? The statement timeout where in second value is set at 48 hours, and this one is measured in seconds. Okay, now let us check the same parameter value whenever I am configuring a virtual warehouse. Okay, now how do I configure a virtual warehouse? Now let us try to. And virtual warehouse is an account level object. We all we should also understand that virtual warehouse is an account level object. It is not limited to a schema or a database, right? Now let's say I am going to configure a warehouse. Let's say I will give this as a name, and for this demonstration purpose, type let the type be standard, and let the size be extra small. Okay, and I'm going to create the warehouse. Okay, so it will take some time while the warehouse is getting created. See, you just see the bar over here, right? And we are seeing this particular warehouse has just now got created with the size being extra small. Now we will go to our worksheets tab right now. Okay, and then what we are going to see is over here. Okay, I have created, let me, kind of, refresh this page so that, oh, see, it has come up now. This particular warehouse I have created. So what I will do now, maybe I'm going to fire this command. Okay, first is show warehouses. Okay, so I will have to see whether my warehouse is coming up when I execute this command. Okay, now this is the output of show warehouses, and I am going to see the parameters, right? This parameters, show parameters in warehouse. Okay, and this is the new warehouse which I have created. Okay, now let's see what is the value which I am getting. Okay, so it is purely warehouse level parameter. It is not an account level parameter. Now over here, what I wanted to show was I'm getting the same statement timeout in seconds, and here also it is 172,800, which is nothing but 48 hours. Okay, so the value is 48 hours. Okay, now here also we saw the value was around 48 hours. Okay, okay, now what does that signify? So in the same account, okay, I am having same setting at an account level and at an warehouse level for this particular parameter. Now obviously the question comes, right? If I want to toggle the parameter at a warehouse level, then which particular value will take the precedence? Example, let's say if I want to change the value of maybe statement timeout in seconds of this warehouse, okay, right, from your 48 hours to maybe 300 seconds. Okay, so let me execute this command. Okay, and I'll show you what happens next. Okay, now I have altered the warehouse level settings of this newly created warehouse, and now it is reflecting as 300 seconds. Now if I want to see the value of it, so I will see the value as 300 seconds only, right? But default was 172.800. Now, if I execute the same command at an account level, okay, right? At an account level, the settings are not defined at an warehouse, rather at an account, right? Which is more of a superset kind of thing, okay? Now, has that also changed to 300 seconds? No, this still remains as 48 hours, which is nothing but 172.800 second. So what does that mean? I can easily go and modify the value of the parameter at a warehouse level. Okay, and whenever you run any query, this warehouse level parameter will take the precedence. Although you have something set at an account level, but still the warehouse level parameter will take the precedence. What does that mean? That means that if I am going to run any query which will use this particular warehouse, the default timeout or the default kind of runtime of that query can be maximum of 5 minutes, but at an account level which we see, it is 48 hours. So this is overriding the parameter which is set at an account level. Okay, it's a very important concept whenever we design a warehouse, whenever we want to put some controls and governance around maintenance of the platform. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful.